Our modern world is filled with convenient processed foods. These foods are everywhere, from vending machines to fast food restaurants, making them hard to avoid. Many of these foods, often called junk food, offer little nutritional value. They are designed to be tasty and addictive, but they lack the essential nutrients our bodies need to function properly. These foods are high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Consuming them regularly can lead to serious health issues over time. They can harm our health and well-being. Regular consumption of junk food can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and a host of other health problems. We must recognize the urgency of reducing our reliance on junk food. By making healthier choices, we can improve our overall health and well-being. It's time to make conscious choices for a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. Opting for fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can make a significant difference. The overconsumption of junk food contributes to a range of health problems. These issues include obesity, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. These conditions are becoming increasingly common and are affecting people of all ages. These conditions put a strain on our healthcare systems. The rising costs of treating these diseases are becoming a significant burden on society. They also diminish our quality of life. Living with chronic health conditions can limit our ability to enjoy daily activities and reduce our overall happiness. Beyond personal health, the production of junk food has a detrimental impact on our environment. The processes involved in creating these foods contribute to pollution and waste. From deforestation to greenhouse gas emissions, the consequences are far-reaching. By choosing healthier, more sustainable options, we can help protect our planet for future generations. In contrast to junk food, sustainable snacks offer a path to nourish ourselves while respecting the planet. These are snacks that are good for us and good for the earth. But what exactly makes a snack sustainable? First and foremost, it's about the ingredients. Sustainable snacks prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Think fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods are naturally nutrient-rich and free from artificial additives. They provide sustained energy and support overall health. Secondly, sustainable snacks emphasize local and seasonal eating whenever possible. This reduces transportation distances, minimizing carbon emissions. Supporting local farmers also strengthens local economies and promotes food security. Sustainable snacking isn't just about swapping one food for another. It's about making conscious choices that align with our values. It's about understanding the connection between our food, our health, and the health of our planet. When we choose sustainable snacks, we are choosing to nourish our bodies with real, wholesome food. We are choosing to support farmers who prioritize ethical and sustainable practices. We are choosing to minimize our impact on the environment. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Sustainable snacks are an investment in our well-being and the well-being of future generations. They are a step towards a more just and sustainable food system. By making mindful choices, we can create a ripple effect of positive change. Section 4. A healthier you with every bite. In this section, we explore how making mindful choices about what we eat can transform our health and well-being. The benefits of choosing sustainable snacks extend far beyond the environmental impact. They are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a range of health benefits that can significantly improve our quality of life. These snacks are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are nature's gift to us, providing the nutrients we need to thrive. They provide us with sustained energy, unlike the sugar rush and subsequent crash that often accompany junk food. This steady energy helps us stay active and focused throughout the day. Sustainable snacks support healthy digestion and gut health. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains keep our digestive system running smoothly, preventing issues like constipation and bloating. They can aid in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and satisfaction. When we feel full, we're less likely to overeat or reach for unhealthy options. By reducing our intake of processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats, we lower our risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Making these choices can lead to a longer, healthier life. Sustainable snacking is an act of self-care. It's about taking the time to nourish our bodies with the best possible fuel, showing ourselves the love and respect we deserve. It's a way to nourish our bodies from the inside out. By making these mindful choices, we can enjoy a vibrant, energetic life filled with health and happiness. Section 5. protecting our planet one snack at a time. Every food choice we make has an impact on the environment. From the way food is grown to the packaging it comes in, our decisions matter. Sustainable snacking is a powerful way to reduce our environmental footprint. By choosing locally sourced foods, we support farmers who prioritize sustainable farming practices. These practices include reducing water usage, minimizing pesticide use, and promoting soil health. Organic farming, often associated with sustainable snack options, further reduces our exposure to harmful chemicals. Additionally, sustainable snacking often involves choosing minimally processed foods with minimal packaging. This reduces waste and helps to conserve natural resources. By being conscious consumers, we can make a difference. Section 6. Swapping Junk for Goodness, a Practical Guide. Transitioning from junk food to sustainable snacks doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making small, gradual changes to your eating habits. Instead of reaching for a bag of chips, try a handful of almonds or a piece of fruit. Swap out sugary sodas for water infused with fresh fruits and herbs. Experiment with homemade trail mixes using nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Instead of processed granola bars, opt for whole grain crackers with nut butter. Explore new recipes for healthy dips and spreads to enjoy with fresh vegetables. The possibilities are endless. Remember, progress over perfection is key. Every small step you take towards sustainable snacking makes a difference. Section 7. Embrace a sustainable snacking revolution. The journey towards a more sustainable and healthy lifestyle begins with our food choices. By choosing snacks that are both nutritious and eco-friendly, we take a significant step towards a better future. Imagine the impact if everyone made small changes in their snacking habits. By embracing sustainable snacking, we are not only taking care of ourselves but also contributing to a more just and equitable food system. Sustainable snacks often come from local sources, reducing the carbon footprint and supporting local farmers. Let us make conscious choices that nourish our bodies, respect the planet, and inspire others to do the same. When we opt for snacks that are minimally processed and packaged, we reduce waste and promote a cleaner environment. Let us be the generation that shifts the paradigm from mindless consumption to mindful nourishment. This shift not only benefits our health, but also fosters a sense of community and shared responsibility. Let us start a sustainable snacking revolution. Together, we can make a significant impact. Every small action counts, and collectively, we can drive change. Together, we can create a world where healthy, sustainable snacks are accessible to all. Imagine a future where every snack we consume is a step towards a healthier planet. It's time to ditch the junk and embrace the goodness that nature provides. Fresh fruits, nuts, and whole grains are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Let's make a difference, one snack at a time. Every choice we make can lead to a ripple effect, inspiring others to join the movement towards a sustainable future. Ready to take your sustainability journey to the next level? Subscribe now and be part of a community that's changing the world. Thanks for tuning in.